मेक इन इंडिया और विकसित भारत की दिशा में एक बड़ा कदम उठाते हुए भारत की सबसे बड़ी ऑर्थोपेडिक सहायक उपकरण निर्माता कंपनी टायनॉर ऑर्थोटिक्स ने पंजाब के मोहाली में अत्याधुनिक टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट आर्ट टेक्सटाइल की स्थापना की है। बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन मॉडल के तहत निर्मित यह प्लांट टायनॉर ऑर्टेक्स की सभी तरह की रॉ मटेरियल को पूरा करेगा। यह 6 एकड़ में फैली हुई है और जमीन, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और एडवांस्ड मशीनरी सहित 300 करोड़ के निवेश के साथ स्थापित की गई है। मीडिया को जानकारी देते कंपनी के सीएमडी पीजी सिंह।
Good afternoon, everybody. In fact, it's a pleasure to have you all here in our new facility of Ortech Textiles. The Ortech Textiles is one of the units of the umbrella company Tynor. So Tynor today is the largest brand in orthopedic appliances in India. Apart from that it is largest in India, it is also largest in 5 other countries. But we are present in about 60 other countries. Today, we are opening up a new unit called as Ortech Textiles. It is a series of our expansion units. In this particular unit, we are going to manufacture technical textiles. But then you will ask that being a medical company, why are we entering into technical textiles? In fact, the products that we make, orthopedic aids, 75% of them have a raw material of fabrics and soft items. And 25% of the items are purely engineering and metal made. So, what we thought is that if we have become a global leader, if we have become better than China, then first of all, we have to have a mindset that we can beat China. Beat China in what? Beat China in quality, beat China in price, beat China in technology, beat China in productivity, beat China in sales and marketing. So we thought that we have to make the best raw materials so as to create great finished goods. We have to have economy of scales and we have to reduce the price of our cost of raw materials. So that is when we thought of backward integration. So backward integration means that we will be making all our raw materials in-house now, which will not only improve the quality of our end products, but also help us in controlling the quality and bringing down the cost by 25% of our raw materials. So that is how the idea of Ortech Textiles generated. And here we are today with approximately capex of about 300 crores. We have put 2 plants. One is Ortech Textiles and one is eMed Technologies. So this Ortech Textiles will produce the world's best raw materials in fabrics, in technical textiles, and all the soft items that are used in the manufacture of orthopedic aids. So I think you have got a brief what we are doing. So one is here and the next is across the road, right? And in this we would be deploying approximately 1,000 employees. And to tell you that we do not have skill sets of people which are required to run this unit. So we also have put up our own institute so as to train our own people. The idea is that we have to be self-sufficient. And that is very important, that we are self-sufficient, our people are trained in-house, and for that what we are doing is we are adopting a few villages around. We are trying to get these women who are unemployed, boys who are unemployed, those who have maybe no skills and less education, we'll bring them here, train them and give them jobs. So that is the whole idea. So here Not only that, we bring them here. We also have buses to ferry them from nearby villages. We serve food, beverages, drinks, and snacks 24 hours. And all of them is free of cost. To all the employees, to all the visitors who come to Tynor at any given point of the time, day in, day out. So when I say 24 hours, because this would be a 3-shift unit. So we will be running all the 3 units, and the government of Punjab has done a wonderful job by relaxing the norms for women who can work at night, provided that we have sufficient number of women at that point of time. So we are thankful to the government also. That is how it is possible that today we can run, because 50% of the total workforce we intend to bring is women. Women have to be empowered, and that is also the main aim of this unit. We will be exporting now to not 60 countries, but 100 countries. Out of that, 100 countries, we call them as developing countries or emerging economies. So Tynor is available as their own brand, as in Tynor brand, but we also will be partnering with the big retail giants like Walmart, like Walgreens, like CVS, Boots, and Medline. So all these companies, which are very, very big retail giants of Europe and US, so we'll be partnering with them so that we are able to be present as a product, as a company in all these developed nations. So apart from 100 countries, what we call as the developing nations or emerging economies, where our own brand will be there, we will be piggybacking these big retail giants for availability and distribution of our products. So that is the whole game plan. So this is a very knowledge oriented, very technical unit where we have the most advanced machinery. The machinery by and large has come from Germany, Taiwan, Korea. So these are the 3 countries from where, Italy also, where by and large we have sourced the machinery. Problem is India does not manufacture machinery of technical textiles. So we cannot rely on India for machinery. But the main aim of this unit is that we have to absolutely stop our dependence on China. So China, having played not so rightly in the world trade forums, so what we intend is that absolutely the world should not be dependent on China, and India definitely should not be dependent on China for either orthoticates or the raw materials for orthoticates. So with these words, I thank you all for being present with us. देखो, आपका क्वेश्चन बहुत वैलिड है. पहली बात तो हमारी जो फील्ड है अब वो एक्सपैंड होके हेल्थ केयर एंड वेलनेस बन जाएगी. हम बहुत क्योर ओरिएंटेड ब्रांड थे, लेकिन अब हमारा पिछले 2 साल से जो फोकस है टू बिकम प्रिवेंशन ओरिएंटेड, कि लाइफ में डिजीज आए ही ना, डिजीज आने से पहले हम उसको ठीक कर पाए. तो एक तो ये फोकस है व्हेन यू टॉक ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. द सेकंड फोकस इज प्रीमियमाइजेशन ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. तो हम जो प्रोडक्ट बना रहे थे उसी का एक प्रीमियम वर्जन निकालना चाहते हैं. इंडिया शुड नॉट बी नोन फॉर लो क्वालिटी, लो प्राइस प्रोडक्ट्स. So India should be known for high quality, high premium products, but affordable and accessible products. So the idea is we have huge population to be fed, huge population to be taken care. So healthcare should be available for all. And this is not the story of India. This is also the story of all the developing nations where healthcare products are available, should be available at the right price, at the right quality. So that's the second focus.
Will you be making items like silicone?
Yes, we already make silicone products, and we have huge knowledge and skill set in terms of processing silicons and very advanced polymers. So very soft gel-like materials. We have one of the best facilities with us.